Dear students, today we will study the basic information about the organic chemistry, and in that we are going to study very important topic, and topic name is the ester. Ester is the one of the very important solvent which is present in our laboratory, and it has the very specific feature that it has the very sweet smelling type of liquid. These are all are the sweet smelling type of liquid, and that's why it is used in the perfume as well as the number of scented material. So now what is that ester we will study. In our previous video we have already completed the acid and general formula of the acid. If you recall, the general formula of the acid was, so general formula for acid is the RC double bond OH. Already we have studied general formula for acid was RC double bond OH. And if we will see the ester, so this particular H is replaced by another alkyl group. So general formula is RC double bond OOR, and double alkyl group is there. So instead of writing R, I will write down here R dash. So what is the general formula for ester? General formula is RC double bond OR dash. Now then, what is the functional group? Functional group there in acid functional group was C double OOH. Now here the functional group is the C double OR dash. Okay. So I can write down this again in this form also, splitting form also, C double bond OR dash. So this is the functional group for the ester. Now, if just we will see the nomenclature. Nomenclature alkane. So basic compound is the alkane. If this is E and this E is replaced by minus E. If E is replaced by what we need to, if it's a ester, we need to replace it with the help of OATE, means OATE. So if alkane is there, so what will be the compound now? Alkane, E is replaced by OATE, means what is the compound? Alkanoate. Alkane is converted into alkanoate. Up now we will see the first family member. What is the first family member? Alkyl group. Suppose this is the HC double bond O, and what here? It is also CS3. How many carbon here? Just to see. This is the, if suppose, we have studied in our last video, we have studied that if we will write down this compound, HC double bond OH, means commonly it is called as what? It is called as formic acid. Okay. Commonly it is called as formic acid. And if this H will be replaced, if H will be just replaced from here and free valency generate, then the compound will be what? SC double bond OO. So here H was replaced and free valency will be generated. Then this compound is called as what? This is the formic acid is converted into formate. This is converted into formate. Okay, formic acid is converted into formate. If I will write down the condensed formula, HCOO. What is the condensed formula for formate? HCOO. So this is the first family member, formate, and this valency will be if satisfied by the other member. Suppose this is the valency. This free valency was there. This is satisfied by the first R group, that is the alkyl group. Yes, first R group means alkyl group. So what is this compound? This compound is the methyl, and this is the one more methane. What we need to write down? This is the methyl. The name of the compound is methyl. This is the methane, and methane E should be replaced by AN. E must be replaced by what? OATE. So what is the compound? Methyl methanoate. Okay, this is the IUPAC name, common name. This is the methyl group. So this is the methyl, and already we have written this particular common name. What is this compound? Formate. So common name is methyl formate. IUPAC is methyl methanoate and common name is methyl formate. Now I am changing the compound. Another compound I am going to write down. Instead of CS3, I am going to write down condensed formula of the ethyl group. Okay, double carbon means ethyl. Okay, so what is the compound? The compound of the IUPAC name. 2 carbon means this is what? This is ethyl group. So we will write down ethyl one carbon means methane. So what is the compound? Ethyl methane OAT, methanoate. Ethyl methanoate. What is the common name? Common name will be this compound. Instead of here ethyl methanoate, I am changing here one more compound. If here this group, this CH3COO group is called as what? This is called as acetate. This I have not explained, but if suppose I am writing here CH3C double bond OH, this is the compound acetic acid is there. Now this is the acetic acid. Now this H is replaced. So what will be the compound? CH3C double bond O, and this compound is called as acetate. Okay. So now this is which compound? Same compound. This is the acetate compound, and here O should be there. So O. So what is the compound? Methyl methanoate. One methyl. I'm sorry. 1 minute. Please wait. Here this is the ethyl group, and here 2 carbon I have written. So when 2 carbon are there, it is what? Ethyl ethanoate. 2 carbon means ethanoate. If I will write down single carbon here, then if I will write down like that CH3, so this is ethyl 1 carbon. So now name of the compound is ethyl methanoate. Okay. So whenever carbon we need to find out, and we need to find out the number. Here whichever group will be alkyl group will be there, and that's why alkyl alkanoate, methyl methanoate, ethyl ethanoate. In this way this ester compound we will get. And commonly these are called as, if formic acid will be there, formic acid is converted into the formate, and acetic acid will convert it into the acetate. So these are the which name? These are the common name. And IUPAC nomenclature, we need to write down what? We need to write down methyl methanoate, ethyl ethanoate, or propyl butanoate. Whatever number of the carbon will be there, we need to count the compound, and we need to complete that particular nomenclature. So in this way, in our next module, in our next videos, we will study how to write down the naming system for such a compound in detail. Thank you.